Hey, Assalamu alaikum. Let's understand about the magnesium for brain, nootropics as a nootropic. So the magnesium is very important nootropics. So I am making the separate video for understanding the basically nootropics where is so what is the source of the magnesium. So let's understand about that. And the nootropics mean the prevention compound, the prevention of the neurodegenerative disease and the brain dysfunction and the brain problem will cure by the nootropics. And the nootropic is the compound or any mineral or anything which that will lead to enhance your memory, enhance your cognitive function, enhance your brain power, memory gain, and a lot more behavioral changes which that is positive. So the food is the dark leafy green which that contain chlorophyll, and chlorophyll contain magnesium. So the magnesium is very important. The deficiency of the magnesium will lead to cause brain fog and the dementia. On the other hand, sleeplessness and basically irritability, restlessness. And on the other hand, a lot more things which that will not relax you because you are not consuming the magnesium. And the magnesium is also important and for the synthesis of the certain type of protein. So a lot more important health benefit, but we are just understanding about as a nootrops. So the nootrops. So the food supplementation, the M-glycinate, M-citrate, the magnesium citrate and the magnesium glycinate, magnesium L-threonate. So basically this is the food supplements. This supplementation you can buy from the any medical store. So this you can buy because it is available in the market. So on the other hand, let's understand about that. The benefit of magnesium for brain is that number one is the neurotransmitter regulation, number two the synaptic plasticity, so the synaptogenesis will occur, while on the other hand the cognitive function and anxiety and stress relief, while the sleep quality will increase, neuroprotection and mood stabilization. So here is a note you can understand the good thing. The deficiency risk we will understand. So number one is the neurotransmitter regulation. So it helps to regulate the serotonin for relax and happy, and dopamine for the pleasure plus libido, and acetylcholine for muscle contraction. So remember, while the synaptic plasticity due to the synaptic connection for the learning and the memory, proper function of the cerebral cortex due to the magnesium. So whenever you will intake the magnesium too much, so in this way your brain will function properly. The cognitive function is the enhanced focus, attention and executive function. So on the other hand, the understanding and the prevention to impairment. So in this way, anxiety and stress relief mean the magnesium is the anxiolytic effects and reducing stress and the anxiety. So I hope you make sense about that. Sleep quality will improve due to the sleep-wake cycle maintained and the sleep regularly, which that improve due to the magnesium. So you can buy the supplementation or eat the green, dark leafy green, nuts, seed and legume or whole grains. While the neuroprotection is the prevention to neurodegeneration and inflammation. On the other hand, the oxidative stress like reactive oxygen species will enhance when, so it will lead to cause problem. The mood stabilization, so decrease the depression, bipolar disorder and the mood swing. So the deficiency risk is the fatigue, weakness, cognitive impair, mood disturbances and the sleep disturbances and the disorders like the Parkinson disease, Huntington disease. On the other hand, the neurodegenerative disease like bipolar disorder, and on the other hand, the brain fog, dementia, memory loss. On the other hand, the psychosis, so the neurodegeneration and a lot more things. I hope you make sense about that. The magnesium is too much important, so go for buy the magnesium supplementation or eat the green vegetable and nuts, seed, legume for clear that our problem. But remember about that, magnesium is not only for your brain health, but also it will help full for muscle, growth and for the normal function of the muscle contraction and relaxation, which that we have discussed in the previous video, but this is a separate video about the magnesium for the brain as a nootropic. I hope you make sense about that. If you like my video, please make sure to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video. For this, bye. Allah Hafiz.